Welcome, I'm Austin Cooper, Head of Technology at IMERS Land, and today I'm going to be showing you the new version 26 VR crypto market trading Metaverse. This is a VR game where the traders can take part in competitions 15, 30 and 60 minutes long against real market prices across multiple exchanges. And see who can make the most profit given 10,000 virtual dollars. So let's see how we can do. I haven't looked at any market prices, so hopefully we can make some profit on this trade. Welcome to IMERS, the immersive crypto trading game. So we have two general modes. We've got a practice mode and a competition mode. In the practice mode, you'll be originally given 10,000 virtual dollars to practice, challenge yourself, trade, and look at new alternative trading options as well as new trading strategies. The other side of the game is the competition mode, where I've already mentioned we get three main competitions: 15, 30 minute and 60 minutes. Now the 15-minute competition is probably one of the hardest because realistically you have to scalp in and out of trades while the market's moving, and you only have 15 minutes to make the most profit. So let's start a game. So hopefully we'll get to join this one. Wow, we joined quite okay. So there's 8 traders there on the leaderboard. And okay, what's the markets looking like? So generally I trade in ETH, so that's what I'll stick to. So let's have a quick gander at what we got. Okay, so we've got the competition running, about to start, and I'm looking like it might potentially create it going up. But it's at 12.68, which is actually quite high compared to yesterday's start of the day. So yesterday's start of the day, you're looking at around about 11.50. There's been a climb. Okay, so let's have a look. We can trade on the IMERS exchange. So looking at the bottom here, the trading exchange, I think, again, over the last pretty much 6 months, let's give it a few tries. Let's do a nice light order. We've given our $10,000. Let's give it some light orders. So we're going to try, initially I think I'm going to try a sell. Let's sell something simple. Let's sell 10 ETH. See if we can make a few pennies. Okay, so when we do a trade, we've got a couple of news articles here if we want to go into more detail. Blockchain. Okay, hold on. Oh, that noise traditionally means we've gone down in profit, so we're currently 4th place. We've lost some profit. We purchased this at 12764, so realistically we're looking at either that going down or up. $745, maybe a little bit more. Let's see if we can get a bit more down. Even if we can make a couple of dollars at the moment, that's basically where we're going to start with. We're going to see what we feel about the market's changing. As you can see, you've got several different exchanges. If you wish to add more, you've got a couple more you can add in. So just want Kraken there. We can see Kraken's prices coming through. You see a variation in obviously the exchange prices as well, which is quite nice. Gives you a bit of a feel for what the market's doing. And say for instance you don't want one. Okay, so we've gone down. We made $1 due to commission, or -1. That's quite not much is moving at the moment. So we haven't got much price change. You see you've got 3 exchanges probably not even open. Okay. Now I'm not confident. Getting ready. Okay. Let's buy that back. So now we bought back. Hopefully we'll have an order lower than that. Yeah, so we made a few pennies. So we made $2 basically. This is going to be quite a challenging market. So there's a lot of scalping, so there's a lot of little movements going on. We're in 4th place. That must be due to commissions. Okay, so what do we think? I think a sell again maybe? Let's give it a go. Not easy when the market's not moving a lot, and obviously there's not a lot of activity that you can kind of play with if there's no price variations. So let's see if we can sell it. Go. 2 orders requested now rather than 1. So we got 2 sells. One there, one there. You can see the price variation. Now what we want to do is see if we can go down again. So we're shorting the market. We're trying to guess that the market on ETH is going to go down. This will provide us a bigger benefit if it can, a bigger profit, and then we buy at a lower rate. So I'm just going to turn down the volume there so maybe you can hear me a bit better. Come on. Okay, so as you can see, most of the other traders are having a relatively slow time. And there's quite a few people down here that have had some negatives. We've got 11 minutes left. So in 11 minutes, what we're on is -8. We want to obviously do a bit better. Okay. So again, you've got very little movement over the last few minutes. So you can see a few ups, a few downs, ups and downs, up and down. Obviously, we had quite a large drop around about 6. So my expectation is potentially it's going to go up, but I think we stay steady at the moment. Oof, quiet. Okay, so other charts, we can look at obviously our alternatives. So you can look at, say, there's X, Sol, ETH, ADA for instance, or Doge, because it's quite, it's had a few variations lately. So we can actually see quite nicely in the last, say, 2 weeks. We do up to 300 points on a chart, and you can obviously then look at individual date changes. So it's been quite an interesting growth. Elon Musk and Twitter having a bit of an influence. Candle charts, again available, looking at the volume sold and bought. Okay. Come on. Uh-oh, it's going up. Do we look at a buyback? Are we looking at a big move? Or is it going to drop? I think we don't risk it. Currently in negative though, so let's get ready. Let's do a limit. Okay, so if it does drop, we bought 169. Want to buy at 1690, and that will give us at least a bit of a feel if we miss it. So a couple of limit orders will allow us the opportunity, if we are looking across the board. We placed it at 1269, so we should make a profit on the 2 sells. And as you can see, it's dropping at the moment. I might even remove those if I feel confident it's going to drop even further. Actually, yeah, I'm going to remove those. Yeah, I want to drop, so let's see if we can make a bigger profit. Let's try 168.80, this price here. Six, 8. 80. Come on. Let's buy them back at that price. It's a bit more profit, hopefully. Come on, guys. Okay, we've got 169.19. So the IMERS line is the line you can trade on. So the markets that have prices are the markets you can actually trade on. So you've got BTC, ETC, ETH, OMG, and ZEC. There are various other markets you can obviously search through on the tool, on the game. Wow, quite a few there. I've not even gotten near the bottom. I'm guessing around about 1,300 trading markets. Maybe. Is there any that we like the idea of? Oh, waves. Waves, that sounds interesting. Okay, so you got Bitfinex and Kraken that trade waves. Okay. If you want to get rid of it, want that one. Okay, so we're still looking at very, very small movements. We're currently still hoping that the market drops. So at least 168.80. We've got 6 minutes remaining. It may be the case that once this goes, I think I'm going to start selling now. It's 169.70. 169.70 looks good. Okay, so I'm going to say, come on, 69.90. Okay, let's get ready for this. Come on, I've got 6 minutes, halfway through basically, just over halfway through the competition. 6 minutes, the large profit is $6. This is a very, but the lowest, as you can see, a lot of people doing a lot of trades, making some rash moves can cause quite a large variation. So in this kind of market, this kind of activity, I would say light, little, and review. Okay, let's buy back. Come on, we want it 168, 169. Come on, drop. I think I'm going to try to get it once we get into the profit, because we've only got $6. I can probably make it that we could win this with very small profits. Come on. I hate this part where you have to wait. Okay, so it looked like a price up, price down. That's not positive from my side. Somebody has some ETH or some markets variation. Bitcoin is making some movements. Looks like it's got some positive movements there. Okay, that's not a good sign again. It's got a bit of a jump. Four minutes. Come on, guys. So there's other competitions. Obviously, you can take part in. 30-minute, 15-minute, as you can see. As you can see, the next competition coming up after this is a 15-minute and a 30-minute. We expect it to finish at around about 6:28. That's the morning. Okay, so we've got some price variations. This looks like this has gone up. So my shorting the market hasn't or doesn't look like it's doing that well. But all I need is one jump down, and I think this will be a big impact. Come on. So we're at minus 14 profit. Come on, guys. 3 minutes remaining. Come on, let's have a drop. Let's have a drop. Let's have a drop. Come on. Currently fourth place, minus $14. Minus $11. Largest is plus 2, 13 variation away. I just need a drop to around about 169. If I get 1269, I might even put it in. Let's just go lower than what I paid at. So 1695. Buy. I'm gonna change those requests. These were good, but this will give us the dollars we need. Two minutes remaining. I'll also have it ready in case it doesn't drop to that. If we hit it first but we're still in the negative, we'll want to buy back. This has been a very slow market moves, so it has the sign of quite a challenging game. Some of these traders have just got zero. Come on, obviously we've been doing a bit of activity, but to have zero still after this kind of up and down scalping, come away with any profit on this kind of game and this kind of trading is positive. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm never going to win in the last minute unless I make some rash moves, so I'm going to go absolutely crazy. I'm going all out now. I'm literally going to basically place a buy order and expect the price to go up in the last few minutes. It's quite a low at the moment. So I've got 1 minute remaining. I bought at 169.75. All I need to do is get it to 170 now. If it goes to 170, which it was pretty much for the last 15 minutes, it's been at 170. If it goes to 170, we're in the black. Come on. Oh, come on. 40 seconds remaining, guys. 40 seconds. Come on. Oh, and just as I like that, obviously you see the profits dropped. If I had kept to my original strategy, this time, 28 seconds ago, 24 seconds ago, I could have sold and I would have been in a profit of around about 10. So maybe I wouldn't have still been in profit. Come on. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh no! Ah! 4th place. That's just not fair. 4th place. 18 dollars. Well guys, that's been the game. A bit frustrating. 4th place. But at least we had some opportunities. I think if I'd stuck to my original plan at that stage, we would have been in a profit and I think we would have come at least 3rd place. So frustrating. Stick to your original strategies, as they say. But potential wins. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the game and I hope you enjoyed watching me play.